See, okay, now here is the weird part, right, about fufu. Some people don't chew fufu. Well, most of the people don't chew fufu. I chew fufu. Weird. But I chew. I don't think it's right just eating that thing just like that. I chew fufu. Kai, do whatever you want to do. You feel me? I chew fufu. A lot of Africans do not chew fufu. They just goes. It just goes right away. They got their soup, the meat, go. Sometimes they would take the meat first. Put that in their mouth. Pause.